My name's Ben, and I'm a director and a co-founder of Plane Industries. Plane Industries take authentic, reclaimed aircraft parts and turn them into pieces of luxury furniture and all-round art. When we started, we just took the best-looking parts of an aircraft that we could get our hands on, and we tried to turn them into the most beautiful things possible. And myself and my brother Harry started the business in 2012, 2013. We were looking for something to do in the world of furniture, but we knew we wanted to find a niche and also something that would allow us to kind of show our love for aviation. We saw this concept of aircraft parts and pieces being turned into furniture being done in the United States. We really liked the idea, and we thought we could kind of put our own unique British twist on the concept. And that's kind of when the business started, and we went about making our first pieces, and since then it's kind of springboarded, and here we are kind of 6-7 years later. We always use parts that we know we can get that are readily available, so we rarely do something that's just a complete one-off. When we find a specific part, like a Boeing 737 engine cowling, we want to make sure that if we go through the lengthy process of designing it, creating the molds, creating the patterns, that we can replicate it numerous times over the years. These pieces are extremely laborious and time consuming. There's a lot of different processes that go into creating each and every piece. That normally involves going to the airfield, sourcing our parts originally. We bring them back here to the workshop where we'll start processing them. Let's say, for example, a piece of fuselage or a fuselage clock. That will involve probably 7 to 8 layers of sanding, where we strip back the paintwork, then we strip back the metalwork. We have to remove all of the oxidization and rust out of the metal for us to be able to polish it. We then have to sand it 7 times, going through different grits. We start with 80, and then it goes up to 120, 240, and so forth, until we get to 800 grit finish, which is a really, really smooth kind of surface ready for the polishing process. When the polishing process happens, we have to polish each piece 4 times with 4 different compounds, and it's an extremely laborious and time-consuming process to get to. But the finished results are really, really stunning. Everything that we make is made to order, and it's effectively bespoke to the client's requirements. So with our chairs, for example, the upholstery often gets changed to different colors, the shell gets changed to different paint colors, textures, finishes, and that's why everything that we make takes time. These pieces take 3-4 months in some cases to build. They're extremely time consuming, extremely laborious, but that's part of the beauty of what we do. It's not mass produced, it is a one-off, it's unique, and our clients are going to have them in their home for 10, 20, 30 years to come, and hopefully pass them down to their children. The future's really exciting. We've got some really cool pieces coming up, some products coming up that involve kind of using fuselage in ways that we've never used it before. So we'll be making kind of sofas, chairs, by kind of cutting, molding, shaping existing parts of fuselage into different shapes and figures. We've got some really exciting products launching in the next 6 to 12 months that include kind of sofas, chairs. We're trying to do as many pieces for the home because we appreciate that a lot of the stuff we work with is extremely big. So we're really trying to kind of create pieces that can go in the average lounge. So with regards to the designs that we make, we have like a core range of products, like our fuselage clocks, coffee tables, chairs, conference tables that we make. Within those, there's certain elements that our clients can customize. Colors of the shell, upholstery textures, colors, finishes. When there's wood involved, we can use different types of hardwood. And then there's the finish on the metal. We offer kind of a really highly polished mirror finish, or we do more of kind of a rustic matte finish, as if it's kind of been on a plane and been weathered over the years. So that's kind of the heart of what we do with our core range of products. And then on top of that, we do bespoke requirements and requests from specific clients that tend to be in the corporate world. So when we have like maybe a bar come to us or a business that have a space they want to fill, and they'll say, right, we want to create a feature piece for here or a feature piece for the lobby. And then we'll sit down with them. We'll go through kind of an ideas process. We'll talk about what it is they want. And then we'll put some ideas together with regards to different parts from aircraft that we can use. And that's a totally kind of bespoke service that we've done on a number of occasions for all different clients, from Red Bull to General Electric. Yeah, and it's something we really enjoy doing.